Hi, this is Professor Prakash Ukhalkar. In this section of the video, I will cover the major stakeholders of the cloud computing. NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture defines five major performers, which includes cloud provider, cloud carrier, cloud broker, cloud auditor, and cloud consumer. Each performer is an object, a person, or an organization that contributes in a transaction or method or performs tasks in cloud computing. Let us discuss these five major actors defined in the NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture one by one. First, cloud service providers. Cloud service provider is either a group or object that delivers cloud services to cloud consumers or end users. It offers various components of cloud computing. Cloud computing consumers purchase a growing variety of cloud services from cloud service providers. There are various categories of cloud based services mentioned below. Infrastructure as a service provider IaaS. In this model, the cloud service providers offer infrastructure components that would exist in an on premises data center. These components consist of servers, networking, and storage, as well as the virtualization layer. Software as a service provider SaaS. In software as a service, vendors provide a wide sequence of business technologies such as human resource management software, customer relationship management software, all of which the SaaS vendor hosts and provide services through internet. Platform as a service provider PaaS. In PaaS, vendors offer cloud infrastructure and services that can access to perform many functions. In PaaS, services and products are mostly utilized in software development. PaaS providers offer more services than IaaS providers. PaaS providers provide operating system and middleware along with the application stack to the underlying infrastructure. Next, we have cloud carrier. Cloud carrier is the mediator who provides connectivity and transport of cloud services within cloud service providers and cloud consumers. It allows access to the services of cloud through internet network, telecommunication, and other access devices. Network and telecom carriers or a transport agent can provide distribution. A consistent level of services is provided when cloud providers set up service level agreements, that is SLAs, with the cloud carrier. In general, carrier may be required to offer dedicated and encrypted connections. Some of the examples of cloud carrier are AT&T, Sprint, and Verizon. Third, we have cloud broker. Cloud broker is an organization or a unit that manages the performance, use, and delivery of cloud services by enhancing specific capability and offers the value added services to cloud consumers. It combines and integrates various services into one or more new services. They provide service arbitrage, which allows flexibility and opportunistic choices. There are major three services offered by a cloud broker. Service aggregation. It combines and integrates multiple services into one or more new services. Service arbitrage. It is similar to service aggregation except that the services being aggregated are not fixed. Service intermediation. It is basically enhances a given service by improving some specific capability and providing value added services to cloud consumers. Next, we have Cloud Auditor. Cloud Auditor is an entity that can conduct independent assessment of cloud services, security, performance, and information system operations of the cloud implementations. The services that are provided by cloud service providers can be evaluated by service auditors in terms of privacy impact, security control, and performance, etc. Cloud auditor can make assessment of the security controls in the information system to determine the extent to which the controls are implemented correctly, operating as planned, and constructing the desired outcome with respect to meeting the security necessities for the system. There are three major roles of cloud auditor, which are security audit, privacy impact audit, and performance audit. Finally, we have cloud consumer. Cloud consumer is the end user who browses or utilizes the services provided by cloud service providers, sets up service contracts with the cloud provider. The cloud consumer pays per use of the service provision, measured services utilized by the consumer. In this set of organizations having mutual regulatory constraints who performs a security and risk assessment for each use case of cloud migrations and deployments. Cloud consumers use service level agreements to specify the technical performance requirements to be fulfilled by a cloud provider. SLAs can cover terms concerning the quality of service, security, and remedies for performance failures. A cloud provider may also list in the SLAs a set of limitations or boundaries and obligations that cloud consumers must accept. In a mature market environment, a cloud consumer can freely pick a cloud provider with better pricing and more favorable terms. Typically, a cloud provider's public pricing policy and SLAs are non negotiable, although a cloud consumer who assumes to have substantial usage might be able to negotiate for better contracts. That's it for cloud computing major stakeholders as per the NIST. Thank you.